What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller, and today I've been studying what I've been doing currently since the buy box change, and I have exciting news, and we're just kind of going to jump into it here and kind of my new approach to business in 2026, selling media on Amazon, and also back to getting the prime bump. I am experiencing getting a prime bump again. I'm going to show some actual examples because unlike a lot of the jokers out there that like to run their flappy gums, I actually live in a world of facts, not just opinions and biases, whatever it may be. I actually take a look at what's actually going on listings and make my assumptions and state things that actually are true. If you're interested in making money on Amazon, join the YouTube channel, $2.99 a month, weekly live calls, private Discord, go-to-lister discount. So what did I do? I picked 5 recent items I sold. So I'm gonna prefix this with, I've been conditioning all of my items as like new. If you're not familiar with the Amazon guidelines, I'm not gonna pop them up here because I'm losing my mind about people complaining whether something is like new. I work for Amazon. I go by Amazon's guidelines, not yours, not his, not hers. I get paid by Amazon. So I go by their guidelines. If you look at the actual conditioning guidelines for books, CDs, DVDs, the only big thing that sticks out is the DVDs have to have the digital code to be like new. So if it's one of those DVDs that says DVD plus digital, or the Blu-rays that say DVD, Blu-ray plus digital, we cannot condition those as like new, but everything else we can. Same with the books. The books can have tears, marks, remainder marks. They still are considered like new on Amazon. You don't believe me? Go look it up for yourself. So I've been tracking since I've started sending in everything as like new, exactly what I'm seeing with my sales. So I can see if I can still get the prime bump because condition now matters on Amazon more than it ever has. So I just pulled 5 recent ones and I'm going to show you what I sold it for and what the buy box is currently at and who's winning it, whether it's merchant or FBA. Now, I know it's only 5, but I'm here to tell you, these are more of the, I guess, ones that kind of stand out to me. I will 100% tell you right now, a lot of the like new stuff I've been sending in recently is selling a lot quicker than the old good stuff that I had. And I am seeing prime bumps, or I'm at least winning the buy box in a lot of situations. So before with good, you're basically winning no buy boxes. With like new, since conditioning plays such a factor, I'm winning a lot of buy boxes that I otherwise wouldn't if I would have conditioned it good or even very good, depending on the actual difference in price. Now, everybody can run their business as they see fit. I personally want to make as much money as I can within Amazon's guidelines. Before everybody gets their sells up in a bunch here and are typing negative Nancy comments down below that it's not like new, that's your opinion, not Amazon's, all right? I'm just keeping it 100%. Right? That's just the reality of it. You could run your business as you see fit. Just because I'm conditioning things as like new doesn't mean you have to. There's plenty of people in the group that don't do it. That's fine. I'm just rolling with what I'm rolling with, right? And staying within the guidelines. Okay, now let's get into the example. So I'm going to show you guys what I sold it for first. So item 1, Just Dance, Disney Party, Nintendo Wii. You see here, there is an LN. That means like new. I started putting my condition in my SKUs on go-to-lister so I could track this properly. We sold it for $22.89. Fun fact, I am not buy box eligible in video games. I used to have to be the lowest FBA price, irregardless, to get a sale of video games, especially used, right? We all can get it for new. I'm still not buy box eligible for used video games, but since this buy box changed, we now can win the buy box even if we're not buy box eligible in the category. Like new, we sold it for $22.89. And I went and looked. You can see here, this current used buy box on the bottom right, what you're looking at. This is the actual product page. The current used buy box is $924 plus $399 delivery from a merchant. So we almost got $10 more and sold our item over the actual merchant here. I mean, that's it. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you sell 12,000 items a year, if you can get an extra $5 on those 12,000 items, right? It's a lot of damn money. It adds up pretty quick. The cats are running around in the background. You guys probably see them. So that's roughly, almost a $10 bump in the buy box. New, it's going for $22.49, and we sold ours used for $22.89. That's crazy, right? That's a good sign to me. So, item number 2. The Princess Diaries. We sold it for $16.66, like new. The current problem on the buy box right now is we got 2 buy boxes. This is another thing that's been happening, right? So we got used good at $6.48 plus $3.99 delivery from Goodwill, merchant fulfilled. And then we have half price books at used very good at $5.49 plus $4.99 delivery. And that is also merchant fulfilled by half price books. We beat out both of them with our like new copy and sold it for $16.66, which is equivalent to a $5 prime bump. This is just what I've been seeing with my current sales and actually going in and seeing what's going on the actual listings. You can take this, you know, as gospel, or you can say it's a bunch of malarkey. Everybody can run their business as they see fit. I just like putting out what I'm currently doing and what's currently working for me or not working for me, so you all can make a decision if it's something you want to do. Item number 3, Newhart Season 4. We sold it for $19.60 like new. Current situation is very good for $11.65 plus $3.98 merchant fulfilled. So that puts it at right around, you know, $15.50. So we got, you know, close to an extra $5 yet again. This is good news to me. I'm not even kidding. I'm super excited that this is actually working, because everything I'm sending is like new anyway. We only did good before because condition didn't matter. Now that it matters, I mean, it's not like we're sending in beat up books. Everything we're sending in is in like new quality according to Amazon standards, unless it's a stupid DVD that doesn't have the digital code. It's all like new. We're resurfacing. We're making sure discs aren't scratches. We're not sending in books that are completely torn, water damaged, any of those. We're not sending in CDs with broken cases. We actually are probably, all of us are probably have been sending in like new items since we first started on Amazon. Now we're just actually taking advantage of it because we actually do spend the time to make sure there's no broken cases, scratched discs, books that are completely water damaged or anything like that. I don't send in anything. If it's not like new, it's not getting sent in. If it's water damaged, it's getting thrown out. We shouldn't be buying that stuff anyway. Item 4, Shirley Temple. We sold it for $33.95 like new. Current buy box. This is a fun one too, right? Some of this stuff you're going to actually be a little bit eye-opening. So we got $53.11. Then now they have multiple new buy boxes. You see another way to buy right here on the right? That is merchant fulfilled new for $44.49 plus $3.99 delivery. And then the good box is somebody FBA for $14.82. We sold our like new copy for $33.95. Won the buy box over the good copy at $14.82. That's over double the price of the good copy we were able to sell ours for, solely based off conditioning. Last one I got for you all. Haynes manuals, basically guaranteed profit. These are like to fix your cars. A lot of them are like older vehicles. We sold it for $21.31 like new. The buy box was $14.57 plus $5.37. Very good from a merchant. That's Zazu yelling in the background, making it seem like I'm torturing them. So they were at roughly $20. Sure, we only sold ours for $21.31. I don't care if I can get if I can get a penny extra. That tells me that this is working. That conditioning plays more of a factor than the price now. I know that's crazy for me to say. I've probably said it 1,000 times on videos that price is the only thing that matters on Amazon. I'm gonna go on record right here, right now and say condition is the only thing that matters on Amazon. They are favoring better condition items over lower prices. You can charge up and have a better condition and beat out somebody that's got a much lower price that has a worse condition. This tells me what I'm going to continue to do, and I'm even going to dive back into the realm of buying no FBA items because I'm confident that I can get a prime bump if I'm conditioning my items like new over good and very good all day long. These are just 5 examples from my inventory. I could have done more, honestly. not that exciting to sit here and do this stuff, but I do like putting this out there for somebody that maybe is struggling getting sales. I know a lot of you always over-prepped your stuff from day one, right? Now's your time to shine. If you're spending the time, you're making sure you're sending in quality items, then condition it like that. There's nothing wrong. Like, people get it mixed up with your standards versus Amazon standards, and you have this crazy standard of what like new should be, and Amazon says it can have marks, it can have tears, it can have remainder marks, it can have basically anything, underlining, whatever it may be. Go look up book condition guidelines right in the Amazon search bar. I promise you that's what it says. I literally posted it twice the other day. I posted it into my monthly go-to lister call. The very good and like new condition notes are almost word for word exactly the same. And I posted it in the Discord. Everybody, these people are giving me flack for selling my stuff as like new. You don't know what I'm sending in. First off, you don't know what condition it is. Just because you think it's not like new because nothing's like new. It's either, you know, it's very good or new. Like, get out of here with that. I'm here to make money. I'm here to help you all make money. And when I come across things like this and I run these experiments, I like to put it out there just so you all can kind of maybe try it for yourself and see what's working. But I'm telling you right now, I'm back in the saddle. No FBA offers. Like new, I'm confident I can win the buy box. I've seen enough from my 45 days of selling like new items that's given me proof that I'm confident I can still get at least a $5 to $10 prime bump. If the very good people are in the merchant column, the like new will get the prime bump. That's what I am seeing in my business. I challenge you all to go in and do a deep dive on your own listings so you can see what's going on. Are you winning the buy box? Are you not winning the buy box? Get some manual repricing done. Get some liquidations done. Liquidations are wide open right now. I went in and liquidated like 350 items the other day. They accepted 90% of them. Used to be you couldn't liquidate anything. Get in there, clean up all this old inventory that's not doing nothing for you besides dragging down your storage utilization ratio, which means you're paying more in storage fees. That's it for this video. I got nothing else to say. These are my honest results. Everything you see is not BS. This is just what I've taken from the facts within my own business. Now, maybe you have different facts, and that's A-okay. Everybody's got a different business here. None of us, you know, me, you, them, her, he. If you're a frog, that's fine. We all have different businesses. We all get different things. We all try different things. This was an example of just an experiment I ran to see if I could still get the prime bump. And everything is smacking me in the face, telling me, hey, Mike, you can still get a prime bump over merchants if you're conditioned above them. So guess what, suckers? Like new. Let's run it up. Let's make a lot of damn money this year. It's not the end of times. Even if like new didn't work, it's still not the end of times. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more like new, thrifting, experiment running videos from the penthouse suite here. It's like 10 degrees outside. I got to get the thrift stores. I got to do a lot of stuff. As always, I appreciate you. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.